morning, guys. It is
this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind.
so it's now 5:02 a.m. I know I'm looking a little bit rough, but just wait till Mama puts all of this together, okay? Alright, guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys this Chantiche lace wig. Now, honey, let's talk about this packaging. Oh, it's so nice and smooth, and I will definitely be keeping this, put my wig in. It's just nice and embossed. I love the silver with the red. Take that off. And in here we have a wig cap, and I told you guys before that I like using these wig caps, the light brown ones. So I have this one, and I already took two come in there, so I already took one out to put on. I kind of prepped this wig last night because I know I was going to have an early morning. I have a nail appointment for 7. I am late. I should have, oh my gosh. So it comes in this bag here. This is the wig. And let me tell you which one it is that I have. I have the Brazilian Silky Straight. It's a 360 lace frontal. So this is what it looks like when it's on the mannequin head. I'm being very thorough in this video, honey, because yeah, girl. Hey, so it comes with the net. I'm just taking off the net off of it. So the knots came bleached already. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. So 1 comb in the back here, 2 at the side, 1 in the middle, and they also have an elastic band. Now it did come with the the lace. So I did cut the lace off last night. Also attached to the wig was this like little card telling you what it is, and the length is 18 inches. Alright, so let's just adhere this to my head real quickly. Will not take long. I'm probably just speed this part up because you guys know like what it do already. Oh, this is nice and small. See, this is nice and small. I like this. Alright, so I'm using the Got To Be glue for this entire process. I'm just spraying it lightly on my edges. Then I'm gonna just brush it back and then put on the stocking cap. After that's done, then I'm going to do the Got To Be glue again and just spray on the edges to adhere them. And this really does make it doesn't move, you know. I'm yet to be like in a hella hot place because I live in Jamaica, but this thing, the Got To Be glue freeze, the Got To Be freeze spray, it's heaven sent. It really does work, guys. Completely highly recommend it. So I'm just cutting off the excess lace and the parts that were not glued down. So I'm just cutting those off. Then I'm going to be wearing my foundation. Here is my brows and everything. And I'm just applying my foundation on the stocking cap as well, so that everything just blends seamlessly for the edges. And they said that hook there, I'm going to hook it at the back because it's adjustable. And I found out that it's adjustable 2 ways. So the traditional adjustable way here, and the stocking, that elastic band is also adjustable, which is pretty good. So for this wig, the only thing I would say that you need to adhere it is just the ear tabs. You know, the tabs right by the ears, those are the only things that you need to actually adhere, because this wig does not move until you actually take it from your head. So you definitely need to adhere the front of the wig, and if you're going to do it up into a ponytail, because it's a 360 lace, if you're going to do it up into a ponytail, then you'll definitely need to adhere the back as well and finish the back as well. But this is me just putting on the wig, and as you can see with the stocking cap, you see how my scalp just looks gorgeous. This method looks really sexy on camera. But now I'm going to take my Got To Be, and I'm going to, as I said before, adhere, see that, the sides, the ear tabs. Right, now my bad, I completely sprayed the Got To Be glue on the hair and not necessarily the lace. It felt like it was dripping on the lace a little bit, but it was just a little bit too much there. So yeah, I'm just using the Got To Be free spray, and I'm adhering the whole of the front part. Like I said, the whole of the front part that's not good. I adhere the whole of the front part so it don't move throughout the day. So this is all I did, basically, just out here with the got to be. Oh, while I'm here, while I have you guys here, this hair is silky, nice, smooth, extremely, extremely, extremely light on my head. I can't wait to style this wig some other ways, and I will definitely be posting on my Instagram, honey. So go ahead and look out for that little rattle. You know, I'm gonna be posting a still rattle, so look out for that. But I love it. I like these type of wigs, you know, because they're really light and stuff. So yeah, and you know, all the work is done for you. And yeah, I don't want to bore you. Okay. It is silky soft. So it's 18 inches. It says it falls like right on top of my boobage area. So this is what it looks like. I love it. Let me try and style this bad boy. It's a free part closure wig as well. It's a free part wig as well, so meaning the part is not, you can't just wear it as a middle part and that's your only option. You have options to wear it any which way you wanna. As you can see, part there. Oh, I could catch it up. Part there. So let me see if I can style this wig for you guys. Y'all know I ain't no good wig stylist, honey, but I'm gonna try. Mama's gonna try. Mama gonna try. Alright, so I'm grabbing my curling wand. This is my Vanity Panic curling wand. Look at that scalp. That scalp looks like mine. But anyway, so this is what I'm using to kind of get like little swoop going over. And this, I didn't like how this swoop held up during the day because I didn't want to drench my hair with the got to be. As I said, just like spritzed it lightly. So it held up nicely, but I wanted it to be styled a specific way. So I guess when I style it next, I'm just going to have to go all out with the got to be. But I really love like this swoop thing. I love my scalp. I'm looking back on the video like I'm like, whoa, this scalp don't look nothing like in person. Like in person, it looks okay, but on camera, like this scalp is everything. Bye-bye. So this is what I did, and I used my, as I saw, my curling wand. And before, I used my flat ironing brush to kind of brush through to get it nice and flat. See, I kind of brushing it up. But yeah, this is all I did to style the hair. And let me know what you think. If you want me to do more hairstyling videos, please let me know, because I will. You know, so just let me know, because you know I have a lot of wigs. So let me know if you want me to do a hairstyling video for you guys. But yeah, this is what I did. This is all I did. Again, the hair is bomb. Just saying. Alright, so this is the style I chose to go with. Just like straight with a little side swoop. I could probably twist this up and do a little updo moment, but I prefer my hair long. You know, like, I like this look. So yeah, this is basically it, you guys, for this video. I don't know if you guys like these videos, but I had fun figuring out what on earth I should do to this wig. So if this is something that you enjoy with me styling these wigs, let me know, and I'll definitely make more. Remember, for the month of June, I'll be uploading a video every other day. So hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Chantiche, right? I'm thinking it's Chantiche Lace Wig. Thank you so much for sending me your hair to review. I love it. It is very, very, very soft, and look it, just running my fingers through, honey. So yeah, so this is basically the look, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.